This is Wes, the Grillin' Villain with SUMMERSET Grills, and it's Food Friday. This week we are making Chicago-style hot dogs. Now, the hot dog is a very simple food. A lot of people like it just on a bun. Most people like it with just mustard. Today we're throwing the works on there. Made Chicago famous. We're gonna make the Chicago-style dogs with pepperoncinis, relish. We're gonna have some mustard, and we're gonna use some pickles, some onions and tomatoes, and it is gonna be delicious. We're gonna be grilling this today on this beautiful day, and we encourage you to get out this weekend and cook anything you'd like and send it to us, and let's see what's going on with you. In preparation of our Chicago-style hot dogs, I'm gonna go ahead and light our preferred grilling apparatus. Of course, the American, you know what, the AMG 36, folks. We're gonna be cooking on lump coal today. We're gonna be cooking on going to cook on some chunks and some wood. We're going to get that going, probably keep that on for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll turn off the gas at that point, and the solid fuels will be combusted, and we'll be grilling on solid fuels. Okay, I've got my coals firing up right now, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare the ingredients for our Chicago style hot dogs. Again, not a lot of preparation here. We've got some natural ingredients. I'm going to throw the dogs on, but we're going to start off, and we're going to take a nice tomato here. I'm going to take this baby, cut her down the middle, kind of slice it, get some nice rings going. There we go. Move my onion, and I'm going to plate them right in my dish here, get them ready to go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my gas off the American Muscle Grill. At this point, my lump coal is totally ignited on its own, and in about 4 or 5 minutes we'll spread that out and we'll have nice white coals, and we'll throw on our all beef franks at that point. Okay, I'm going to cut my onion now. I'm going to cut the end off it here, flip it around here, take some of the skin off it, and off we go, folks. Time to cut the peppers. These are mild pepperoncinis. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the stems off at the top. I'm going to cut them in half, and I'm going to leave them just like that. Okay, I'm going to throw my dogs on my grill right now. Put them on here. Oh yeah. It's already screaming. We got a hot fire. Hot dogs don't take long at all. You can burn them quickly, so you watch them, keep rotating them, and pull them off. Okay, I'm going to pull my dogs off. They've been on for about 4 or 5 minutes. Kept them rolling, didn't burn them. Nice little char on them. We'll bring them over here, and we're going to set them right down with the rest of our ingredients. Okay, I'm going to blaze my buns just a little bit. Let's get them heated up. Give it a little char flavor. Okay, we're going to now plate the food. And I'm simply going to take a hot dog bun. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my mustard on there. I'm going to lather it up nice. I'm going to put my relish. Throw a dog on. Get some onions on there. Oh yeah. I'm going to set that baby right here. I'm going to take a couple of my tomato slices. We'll put one on each side. And a couple of my pepperoncinis here. One here, and we'll do one more right there. And there you go, folks. There's a Chicago-style hot dog. Grilled right here in Southern California. We are pairing our Chicago-style hot dogs today with Funkwerks Saison. It's a Belgian beer. It's got some beautiful passion fruit and tangerine hues. I'm going to break one open right now. Cut it out. Okay, that was Food Friday with our Funkwerks Saison Belgian beer and our Chicago-style hot dogs. Make sure to follow us on Instagram so you can be entered into our weekly giveaways. We've been grilling today outside, enjoying the weather, and we hope you can get out this weekend with your friends and family and do the same. Grill anything you'd like, post it to Instagram and tag Somerset Grills, and we'll get you a free t-shirt. Thank you, and we'll see you next week on Food Fridays.